Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A55 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll in order to find General Management. Let's tap on it. Then let's scroll down to find Reset option. And here we have to localize this reset section. We've got two different options connected with the networking because we've got mobile network settings and Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings separately. So simply tap on the option, then let's tap on reset settings. Of course, your device will ask you if you really want to do it because you will know you will not be able to undo this action. So let's simply tap on reset, and here we've got the information. We've got this one done, and now Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, just tap on it, and again the same info, just tap on reset settings, and here we've got the information. So it means that we just successfully reset all network preferences. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.